Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Ngasi akhoi analyze tawgdaba portion sina ctet ki 2019 gi paper 1 gi child development and pedagogy ki question analyze tawdweni. So ngasi gi ahan question sa kay hai no hai ganda yengminarase. Which of the following construct does the Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? Piriba option sidagi ko Right to Education 2009 gi act advocate tawbase karambano sineba. Inclusive education la, segregation la, mainstreaming la natraga integrated education sida sineba. So 2009 da Right to Education advocate tawkibasidia khigi Right to Education sineba. So question number 1 gi answer di Roman number 1 neba. Mathangi question zina blank is the philosophy of all the children have a right to get equal education in a regular school system. Piriba options sisidagi amadi philosophy amaneba that angangsingsa right to equal educations in a regular school system and high karamba oidoino sineba mainstreaming oigadoira natraga special education oigadra natraga multicultural education oigadra natraga inclusion oigadra sineba inclusion sa oidoineba. Inclusion is a philosophy that all the children have a right to get equal education in a regular school system. So question number 2 gi answer di Rama number 4. Mathangi question na a teacher should teacher amana tawdoishi promote student belonging to certain cultures. Certain culture khara angang sing promote tawgadra teacher na natraga ignore the cultural difference and diversity among the students. Cultural differences laiba angang singsa and diversity laiba angang singse ignore tawbibase teacher na tawgadra seba. O natraga communicate that see respect and value all the culture in the classroom. Angang singsuga communicate tawraga that the particular teacher should respect and value culture mayam classroom the lady but different type of angang singi culture da respect and value to communicate to be gadam neba. O natraga maximize the comparison among the student. Among the students singi marak the comparison se maximize to thokwas ni oigadra ne. So question number 3 gi answer sidi the number 3 ne. Teacher amana classroom da ko angang singi different type of cultures lady mayam singsa respect and values to be gadam neba. So mathangi question na children learn effectively when children singsina effectively karam kanda learn to no sineba. The first one is they memorize facts given in the textbook. Textbook the piriba facts mayam singsa memorize tawrakanda angang singsa effective learning oibra sineba. Mathangdana they copy answer written by the teacher on the blackboard. Ozana blackboard the iriba answer ra adu copy tawraga angang singsigi learning se effective oirini sini. Du oiribra oidra. Natraga they actively participate in different activities and tasks. Angang singduna different activities and tasks mayam ama actively participate tawraga angang singsa makoigi learning se effective oi haise chumbra sini. O natraga the teacher fully control everything that happens in the classroom including the children. Ozaduna classroom na tawriba khudingmak teacher na fully control tawraga even angang singsiphau yauna control tawraga classroom se thambasina learning sa angang singi learning sa effective oigadra sineba. So angang singse effectively learn tawhunge hargadi kai tawni ha kan angang singsa actively participate in different activities and tasks oigadam neba. So question number 4 gi answer di Rama number 3. Mathangina children should blank questions in the class. Angang singsa karma makhangi question hangdoino ba. Be discouraged to ask question hangba matamda discouraged tawgadra. So not allowed to ask question hangan ba pihaloi dabra natraga be stop from asking. hangbada stop tawhangadamni natraga encourage to ask question ohingadra sine. So question number 5 ki answer di angang singsida question hangnaba encourage to bigadamneba. 5 ki answer na 4. Next, which of the following is not a key process through which the meaningful learning occur? Piriba statement sida meaningful learning occur tawdaba negative tawdaba ama puthoktoini. ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯄꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯐꯨꯜ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯐꯨꯜ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯄꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯕ instruction and direction ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ exploration and interactionꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯕ but memorizations and recalls ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗꯤ negative ꯑꯣꯏꯕ statement so question number 6 కి answer ꯗꯤ Rama number 4. The next question is which of the following represent the correct matching of children in column A with their primary characteristic in column B? ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯒ ꯀꯂꯝ ꯕꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯠꯆ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯒꯤꯐꯇꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯒꯤꯐꯇꯦꯠꯅꯦ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯜꯅꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯞꯅꯦ ꯑꯦ ꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯆ ꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯒꯤꯐꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯦꯛ ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯡ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯌꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ tendency to get distracted easily oigadra ability to learn quickly and independently oigadra sine gifted di makhoi di oine gifted oiba ngang sing se quickly learn oigani independently mo study do sungam gane learning disable hargana khoigi lack of reading dai doine natra then creative hargana original the thinking to bangam gane ngang sing se dudi a gi d taba AD B1 AD gi B gi A di Rama number 1 gi D Rama number 1 gi D leireko di Rama number 2 gi A 2 gi A oiragadi si 1 se tare so question number 7 gi answer di Rama number 1 mathanggi question sina children error ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ error ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ should be immediately concise by asking them to be repeated practice oigadra are a part of learning and give an insight into their thinking oibra natraga are insignificant in the teaching learning process oibra natraga reflect how careless children are oigadra sine ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯔꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯑ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯝꯊꯤꯡ ꯂꯔꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 8 ꯀꯤ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗꯤ Rama number 2 ꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯗꯅ assessment haise kaino sin should be a part of teaching and learning process ki part am oigadamni should be done only in terms of mark khak phangnabagi damakta assessment se tawgadamni natraga should be based on objective type written tasks oigadamni natraga should be undertaken in a separate activity so question number 9 go answer you obviously it should be the part of teaching and learning process oidoineba mathangdana question number 10 in a constructivist frame learning constructivist frame learning se kaino constructivist ki matung ina learning se kaino sine passive and individualities oigadra process of acquisition of knowledge oigadra natraga change in behavior as a result of experience oigadra natraga active and social in its character oigadra sine so question number 10 ki answer di constructivist ki frame gi matung ina learning is active and social in its characters neba so 10 gi answer di Rama number 4 So, mathangina question number 11. 11 the hashina when teacher have positive belief about the student and their abilities, the students became relaxed and stop putting in any effort to learn, became demotivated and stays are not effective in any way, are eager and motivated to learn. So question number 11 gi answer sidi for angangsing teachers na angangsing sida positive belief student gi matang da magi ability da positive belief thamba taragadi angang do study tawda eager and motivated oidoine ba learning tawning ba how do ba. So question number 11 gi answer di dama number 4. Then mathangdana question number 12. A teacher can encourage children to become effective problem solver by teachersꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗ effective problem solver ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ encourage ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ. Giving them plenty of opportunity to answer the similar kind of question from the different textbook. Different textbook tagi different type of question mayam ama similar haidi question manaba similarity leiba question answer mayam ama thohalaga angangsingda problem solver gi effective ohengadra encourage tawbu oigadra natraga emphasizing on the rote memorization. Rote memorization bula agadi just negative ni sig statement simadi oiraro. Encouraging children to make intuitive guesses and to look at the multiple solution to the problem. Makhoy gi oina intuitive guesses ama tawraga particular problem dugi multiple oiba solution mayam ama khannaba hotna encourage to bigadra angang singduda. Or natraga step by step solution to all the question in the textbook. Step by step solution bigadra question mayam dugi. So, question number 12 ki answer sidi 3 oidoineba. Encouraging children to make intuitive guesses and to look at the multiple solution of the problems in it. Mathangi question na question number 13. Use of methods where the learner own in initiative and efforts are involved is an example of methods used to raga learners sing own initiative and efforts involved to example deductive method oidoira learner center method oigadra traditional method oigadra natraga interpersonal intelligence oigadra sineba. So question number 13 gi answer dia learner center method neba. Mathangdana question number 14. What principle does the following highlight? Piriba statement sida piriba statement za asise karma makhangi principle highlight tawuno sineba. Students who do not perform well feel they are not good enough. Particular students sa fazana perform tawdaba angang makhoi se haidi phatti haina ko they are not good enough haina feel oib. They feel demotivated. Ko makhoi se demotivated to feel oib. They are then likely to give up easily without trying or persisting in any task. Makhoi easily give up tawning atop ho chu na ning da phaw asi karma makhan gi principle follow tawno sineba. Like khoi cognition and emotion are not related. Cognition gi emotion ga related oidabu oidoira. Heredity and environment are not separable se oigadra. Heredity and environment are not related oigadra. Natraga cognition and emotion are not related oigadra sineba. So question number 14 gi answer di cognition gi emotion sigana are not separable neba. 14 gi answer di 4 tare. Mathangdana 15. Which of the following is the primary socialization? Primary socialization se karam boidoino sineba. Primary socialization hadi koigi families in a primary socialization neba. School, government, media sisina secondary socialization oidoine. Mathangdana a major proposition of Jean Piaget theory is that Jean Piaget theory gi major proposition se karam sineba. Children's thinking is superior to adults. Children gi thinking sa adult gi superior oisi oigadra natraga children's thinking is quantitatively different from adults. Adults gi quantitatively different oibra natraga children thinking is qualitatively different from adult gi qualitatively thinking sa different oibra natraga children thinking is inferior to adults oigadra sinba. So question number 13 gi answer 16 gi answer di 3 oiraneba. Children thinking is qualitatively different from adults neba. 17 dana gender is an Gender si kaino sini. Psychological identity da, social construct la, economic concept la, biological determination la. So question number 17 gidi gender hadi social construct amane ba. Mathangdana, which of the following correctly identify the broad domain of development? ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯔꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯦꯛꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯒꯅꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 18ꯒꯤ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 4 physical, cognitive, social, and emotional oidunib. 19. Now, which of the following statements about intelligence is correct? Intelligence is a relatively permanent change in behavior as a result of experience. Intelligence is hereditary trait that involve mental activity such as memory and reasoning. Intelligence is multidimensional, involving the several abilities not entirely measurable by the intelligent test. Intelligence is the ability to think conversantly. So, question number 19 gets the number 3. Intelligence had a multi-dimension involved with several abilities several abilities that are not entirely measurable by intelligent test. Quick abilities intelligent test measurable to so question number 19 gets the 3. Mathangdana 20. In a progressive education, children are seen. Progressive education in the angang singsa passive imitators oibra, active explorers oibra, blank slates oibra, natraga miniature adults oibra sunyo. So question number 20 gi answer di angang singsa active explorer neba. So Roman number 2. According to Lab Vygotsky, learning is an individual activity, a passive activity, a conditional activity, a social activity. So question number 21 gi answer di for a social activity neba. 22 now, which of the following characterize a child are the proportional states? Proportional states se karambagi options in a characterized to cinema goal directed behavior la, defer imitation la, irreversibility of thought la, natraga circular reaction oibra cinema. So question number 22 gi answer di 3. Pre-operational states. Pre-operational states the lady angang singsa irreversibility of thought neba. So 22 gi answer di 3. Now, which of the following statement regarding children and their learning is correct? Children's motivation to learn and their capability to learn is predetermined by heredity only. Angangsinggi motivation to learn and capability to learn sa heredity khaktana predetermined tawra sineba sidi oiba natte duna yaroi ko. Mathangdana children's socio-economic background determines and limits their motivation in learning. Angangi socio-economic background duna makoigi limits na motivation and learning capability pibra sineba. Children have to be rewarded and punished to make them motivated. Angang sa rewarded tawgadamneba and motivate tawnabaydamakta and punishment pigadamneba. Sisu oigadra sidem. So sisu oiroiba. Chokamoy do you know how can 24 gi answer the children singsa naturally motivate oigadam and capable of learning. Naturally motivate oigadi mo masana learning gi capable oidoiniba. So question number 23 gi answer the Rama number 4. So 24 gi now there are the individual variations in the rate of motor development, yet the sequence of motor development is the form blank to blank. Gamboid no cineba. So question number 24 in a quiggy motor development gross motor development the fine motor development lakadwineba. So 24 gi answer D Rama number 2. Mathangi question dana the period that initiate the transition to adult is karma period na angangi transition se id adult the transition to halakadwineba. So question number 25 gi answer D Rama number 4 adolescence no halakadwineba. Mathangi question na according to Jean Piaget children Jean Piaget ki matungina angang singi matang da mana kay hairami sineba learn by observing others following a process of observational learning. Angangsingse atopagi mawong matawse uraga observational learning gi through dagi angangse learn tawi sineba hairamise. Mathangdana can be conditioned to behave in a particular way by carefully controlled stimulus response associations, or natraga can be taught to behave and learn in specific manner using principles of rewards and punishment, or natraga actively construct knowledge as they manipulate and explore the world. Jean Piaget ki matung ina piriba statement marisidagi karambana achumbo oidoino shineba. So Jean Piaget na hairamise ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ actively ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ knowledge actively construct ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ. Construct as they manipulate and explore the world ꯅꯦꯕ. ꯃꯣꯏꯅ world ꯁꯦ explore ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ knowledge ꯁꯦ construct ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ. So question number 26 ꯒꯤ answer ꯗꯤ Rama number 4. ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ question number 27. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogue that children have with themselves as. ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯇ verbal dialogue ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ. Lev Vygotskyꯅ refer ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ refer ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯗ. Private speech ला ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ disordered speech ला ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ problematic speech ला ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ egocentric ला ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ. So private speech, that is question number 27 ꯒꯤ answer ꯗꯤ Rama number 1. ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ associating toys, articles of clothing, household items, occupations and colors with a specific sex is a demonstration of, like toys gumba dagi clothing gumba housing item gumba si mayam se karamba makhan gi demonstration tawbano sineba. Gender stereotyping la natraga gender theory la natraga gender relevance la natraga evolved gender identity oigadra sineba. So question number 28 can say the 1 gender stereotyping neba. Mathangdana, in an elementary classroom, it is important to blend the experience that a child bring with her. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ elementary classroomꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ build on their experience ꯑꯁꯤ important ꯅꯦꯕ. So 29 ꯒꯤ answer ꯗꯤ 3. ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ a child agreed that hens should not steal the drugs medicine that can save his wife because he will be cased and sent to jail if he does so. According to Colbert, which stage of moral understanding does the child fall under? Hence dilemma haina khigi modern Colbert theory gi story ama yawbane. Hence dilemma gi si kaino ha kanda asigi matang se ko hence hariba nupa sina medicine store dagi hidak ma hurale hurali si kaigino ha kanda medicine joli ba nupa sina hidak sigi amount ama haireba amount se hence na piba ngamdreba. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯐꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. ꯍꯦꯟꯁꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯍꯨꯔꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯐꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯐ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯖꯦꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯀꯣꯜꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ. ꯏꯐ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯨꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯤ ꯁꯦꯐ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. ꯁꯦꯐ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯨꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯖꯦꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯣꯜꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯑꯣꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯗ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯗ ꯄꯅꯤꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯤꯗꯤꯌꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯦꯜ ꯏꯊꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯨꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯄꯔꯄꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ. So question number 30 ꯒꯤ answer ꯗꯤ 2 punishment and obedient orientation ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ.